Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see easy FitGirl installation for beginners. I show you guys how to do it. Before opening the game folder, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it and select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to select the game folder guys in downloads and then select folder. And now the game folder has been added to this list. Go back and turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And just minimize this page. Double click on the game folder and scroll down. Double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon, and if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys, and make sure nothing is running in the background. If anything is running, then just right click and select exit it, like Steam, Discord, everything, and then select next option and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next. And in here, you just need to check mark your preferred language, guys. I'm gonna check mark Russia. I'm gonna have only one language in here. You just need to select your preferred language, guys, and then select install option. After the game installation done, you just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder, guys, where you saved. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select folder option, and now the game folder has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection and just to close stuff here and uncheck this option, guys. Open this site, redirect to this site, and then select finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay, no bad file or missing file found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. Select the play option, and now as you can see the game open up without having any problem, and now you will never face a game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.